you will get a weak weld. When heated to correct temperature, the finished weld bead will have a round contour. The rod will hold its basic round shape. With correct downward pressure on the welding rod and the proper fanning motion of the welder, note the smooth
be complete in one continuous run along the length of the area to be welded. The pendulum weld. Please ensure you read the tool operating instructions before use.
Provides a secure hold. Thanks to the balanced weight allocation, working with the TRIAC BT.
2 to 3 kilos of downward pressure, sufficient to force the now softening welding rod into the welding.
Once again ready for operation.
About intestinal.
1,000 grams, it is possible to weld with the TRIAC BT or